Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to count blocks in AutoCAD LT. Originally I set out to do a bill of materials on a job I was working on, but found out that AutoCAD LT does not, there's no way to produce a bill of materials from AutoCAD LT. That only works in the standard version of AutoCAD or the electrical version. But so that's not going to help me with footages, but it will help me be able to count all the like terminals and manholes, handholes, and things like that. But and also, you know, once you get your count, you can put it into a table here. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Now I've got these two blocks here, a square and a circle, and this only works if with blocks. Otherwise, it won't count anything that's not a block. So the way to do that is once you got your blocks, you know, on your drawing, everywhere you want them to be, you just do count list, find the count list, and then you'll get this box here. Side note, this is AutoCAD LT 2026 for Mac. I believe it works the same way for Windows. It probably will just look a little bit different. But as you can see, is once I pulled that up, it counted how many circles and squares I have in the entire drawing. Now this is the entire drawing, so I do have more over here, and I will get to how you can separate the two. Now, if you just want to, you know, do a specific area, like let's just do this area here, you'll hit this button here, count in a specific area, and then you'll draw a box, and then as you can see, it shows I've got 15 circles and 8 squares. You can also do that again right here, and that shows 1 and 1, so that means it's working. Now what we're going to do is to get the table, I'm just going to grab all of these here, is once you've got the area selected where you want to have stuff counted, you will just hit this create table button here, and this will give a running list of everything you've got selected, all your blocks that you've got selected, so you can select whatever ones you want. I'm going to grab both of them and then hit insert. Now this will automatically produce a table with the total of, you know, all the items that you've selected. So there you go. Pretty easy, pretty handy. This will definitely help me a lot as well. Thanks for watching.